First, take out of all items from the package. Package includes solar panel, manual, smart camera bracket, solar panel bracket, USB power cord, screw package, smart camera. Align the antenna so that it faces up. Tear off the protective film on the camera before use. The lens of the camera can be rotated flexibly. Align the camera bracket with the camera and snap it in. This is the TF card slot. Align the TF card with the TF card slot and insert it. Press and hold the power key to start the smart camera. When you hear a ding-dong sound, it means the camera is working. Camera starts self-test mode. When the camera is working, the blue status light flashes. Insert the power cord of the solar panel into the card slot of the smart camera. Cover the rubber tightly to prevent rainwater from entering. The solar panel bracket can flexibly adjust the angle. Align the bracket with the screw hole on the back of the solar panel and tighten it. After adjusting the angle, tighten the screw. Place the smart camera where you install it. You need to drill holes in the wall in advance. Put the transparent screw rubber sleeve into the drill hole. Then fix the smart camera bracket to the wall with screws. Use the same method to fix the solar panel bracket. The solar panel can be flexibly adjusted in angle. Open the Vico Home app. Click Add Camera Now. Check the box and click Next Step. Click W8. Select the Wi-Fi you need and enter the password. Note: this device only supports L/4 4000 Hz network, not 5G. Click Next Step. Click Connect. When a tick appears and a prompt tone is heard, it means that the device is added successfully. You can name the device and click Done. Click Next Step. Click the play icon, then jump to AMTIFO page. Click the full screen icon to enter full screen. Click arrow. You can flexibly adjust the camera monitoring angle. Click the arrow in the upper left corner to return to the app homepage.
Open the Vico Home app. Select the Wi-Fi you need and enter the password. It will jump to the interface to prompt to scan the QR code with camera. The camera is about 6 to 12 inches away from the mobile phone lens. Click the I heard a prompt. Waiting for successfully. You can set the name of the camera. The name is changeable. Then jump to APP homepage.